Welcome to Teach. Today we will learn how to install the CapCut video editor free version on a Windows computer. To do this, first go to Google Chrome. Type CapCut for PC. Visit CapCut's official website. You can also download it from the top right corner. Click on the button Download for free. Now wait for a while. Open the downloaded file. Double-click on it to install. You may have to wait for a while for it to install. It will automatically test your computer's environment. Finally, it says your computer can run CapCut smoothly. Now click on Confirm. You can skip the latest version. So click on the cross symbol. Now click on Agree and Continue. Select any one of these. It's not very important. You can select the student option. I am selecting full-time social media creator. It says, how did you hear about CapCut? Click on YouTube. Click Next. Again select YouTube. And click Next. Here you can select as you wish. Now click on Start Creating. Here you can take a tour from CapCut. To start, click on the right button and delete it. Drag or import files here to start video editing. That's all. If you like the video, please like it. Subscribe to learn CapCut video editing from us. Thanks for watching.